buy or sell a home, they receive a check from Homes for Heroes. Check out amandasheroes.com for more information.
For more than 70 years, the sweet aroma of the Crestview Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs has permeated the downtown area. If you have not experienced the unique flavor of Crestview's Coney Islands burgers and hot dogs, then I encourage you to join us for lunch. Monday through Thursday from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m., Friday from 10 a.m. till 4 p.m., and Saturday from 10 a.m. till 2 p.m. We're located in historic downtown Crestview at 107 North Main Street. Call 850-683-1045.
CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer since 1999. We're state licensed and insured, family owned and operated with 24 years of local service. We specialize in shingles and metal, re-roofs, repairs, and leak specialists. For all of your roofing needs, call us today or visit our website at cqroofing.com. CQ Roofing, your hometown roofer.
Days Tire Pros makes buying tires simpler. They offer a straightforward approach to tire and auto service that includes nationwide warranties, a hassle-free experience, and a great selection of Michelin tires. No matter what you drive or where you have driven, Michelin has a tire to fit any need. Visit our store in Crestview or online at daystirepros.com. Tire Pros love the drive.
Hey, I'm David at Family Vision of Crestview. We've been providing excellent optical service for Northwest Florida for over 34 years. Come in and let us take care of you.
Check out the soaps, bath bombs, and other bath and body products, all made by hand with natural ingredients at Hub City Soapery. Visit us at 1092 North Verdon Boulevard in Crestview or shop online at hubcitysoapery.com. Hub City Soapery.
This is Tiffany Woodham, State Farm's newest agent in Crestview. I'd like to personally invite you to stop by my office for a no-cost policy review. Let me help you start saving today. Call in, walk in, or click in at yourcrestviewagent.com.
Alex Barthay from the UPS store once again, And I wanted to let you know about our Sunday hours. We're open now 7 days a week. Normal hours that you've been expecting, but now we're open Saturday 10 to 4, Sunday 10 to 3, and that's both our Crestview, Fort Walton Beach, and Eglin Air Force Base locations. So you have things to do, go and do it. Just know the UPS store is going to be here. Again, Sundays 10 until 3 p.m.
What can I help you with?
I think I was bit by a vampire.
This is definitely concerning, but I don't have any experience with vampire bites. I do, however, have training in accident investigation from the Florida Highway Patrol, and I'm proud to say that I've received many awards that... Hey, you feeling okay, buddy?
Injured? Take a breath. Call Coy.
Timothy Matthews. Judge, this is Timothy Matthews.
All right.
Executed plea agreement.
Mr. Matthews, would you please raise your right hand to be sworn? You swear the testimony you give before this court's the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
This is 23 CF 3623, State of Florida versus Timothy Matthews. You want to enter a no contest plea to the charge of possession of controlled substance, meth, a third-degree felony, and possession of paraphernalia, first-degree misdemeanor. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Is this, did you read and sign this plea and sentencing agreement for him?
Yes, sir.
You understand the rights you're waiving by entering this plea?
Yes, sir.
Anyone forced you or threatened you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you under the influence of any medication or drugs that prevent you from knowing what you're doing here today?
No, sir.
Are you happy with the work Mr. Williams done for you on your case?
Yes, sir.
Court finds the plea is freely and voluntarily entered. Court accepts it. Judge guilty on both counts. Sentenced to time served, county jail. $615 court costs, $100 cost of prosecution, $150 PD fee. And the court orders you not to get around this meth anymore. It'll kill you quick.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. This is going to do yours because yours is out.
Your Honor, if we could do Maria Weiss,
Maria Weiss.
23 CF 2616.
Okay.
Your Honor, we're going to enter a not guilty plea, request trial by jury, request the February 26th court date. The state is offering a PTI, however, the terms have not been drawn up, so if y'all could go ahead and draw those up, and then I'll meet with her and we'll go over them.
I will send an email to Ms.
You
Glisson.
want to do it, you want to set it for January 4th, or is that too soon?
I don't think Ms. Glisson will be able to have it done by then.
February 26th, okay? Thank you.
Just call my number, okay? Okay. Your Honor, the next one I have would be Summerlee Shada.
Okay.
We have reached an agreement in this matter, if I may approach.
Okay. All right, Ms. Shada, would you please raise your right hand to be sworn? You swear the testimony you give before this court's the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
You want to enter a plea to possession of drug equipment, a first-degree misdemeanor, and the state's going to drop the felony charge, correct?
Yes, Judge.
Did you read and sign this plea and sentencing agreement form?
Yes, sir.
You understand the rights you're waiving by entering this plea?
Yes, sir.
Anybody force you or threaten you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you under the influence of any medication or drugs that prevent you from knowing what you're doing here today?
No, sir.
You happy with the work Ms. Rivers has done for you on your case?
Yes, yes,
Court
sir.
finds the plea is freely and voluntarily entered. Court accepts it. On count 2, you are sentenced to time served in the county jail, $270 court cost, $50 cost of prosecution, $100 PD fee, adjudicated guilty. Count 1 will be dismissed by the state. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Just
How many
make-
days are gonna pay it in?
So you got to go downstairs to the clerk's office, they will be ready today, come back another day.
I'll give her 180 days to pay it.
She's saying 180 days to pay it. so
Okay,
6
thank you,
months.
sir.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, and thank you so much for your time.
Your Honor, the next one I have would be one in custody, Kevin Russell.
Kevin Russell, okay.
And he'll have to sign the agreement, Your Honor.
Okay.
So this is what you want to do, right, Mr. Russell?
Yes.
Okay. And you need to sign it. Right. That's fine. With the remainder that's left. I know, that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine, because he's going to get 2 more years of community control. You okay? You're breathing hard.
Mr. Berry, yes, sir? You wanted to talk to me?
Oh, no, I was talking to Mr.
Oh, okay.
All right. If I may approach, Your Honor?
All right.
I was trying to make something easier for me and you, but Miss Rivers didn't want to pay me no attention.
Okay. All right, Mr. Russ, this is Kevin Tyrone Russell, State of Florida versus Kevin Tyrone Russell, 20 CF 915, 23 CF 2611. Mr. Russell, you want to admit in 20 CF 915 that you violated probation, correct?
Yes.
And you want to enter a no contest plea to possession of a firearm by a convicted felon in 23 CF 2611, correct?
Yes.
Did you read and sign this plea and sentencing agreement form?
Yes.
Do you understand the rights you're waiving by entering this plea?
Yes.
Has anybody forced you or threatened you to enter this plea?
No.
Are you under the influence of any medication or drugs that prevent you from knowing what you're doing here today?
No, I'm not.
Are you happy with the work Ms. Rivers has done for you on your case?
I'm fine with it.
Okay. Court finds the plea is freely and voluntarily entered. Court accepts it. On 20 CF 915, your judge guilty sentenced you to reinstate and modify probation to community control, $100 cost of prosecution, $100 PD fee, and concurrent community control with 23 CF 2611? Is that what it's going to be? Okay. Waive cost of supervision. And then in 23 CF 2611, judge guilty, 2 years community control concurrent with 20 CF 915, and forfeit the weapons, no drugs or alcohol without a prescription, 415 court costs, $100 cost of prosecution, $150 PD fee, waive cost of supervision, and you'll have, you can pay those costs, all that during your 2 years community control, okay? All right, so it's a total of 2 years community control because it's concurrent. It's concurrent. Thank you.
Your Honor, with Mr. Russell, he's given the new 2-year period of supervision in order to complete the old conditions of supervision?
Yes.
Fair?
Yes.
Because I know there's court calls, so I don't know if he had any more. Can I ask Kim, real quick, do you have any more conditions that you have to do on that old one? Because it's fixing to terminate, we don't want to get you right back in there. Okay, just money. Okay, if he can just pay the money in the old case during the period of time of the new.
That'd be fine. That's good. Okay, thank you. Next case.
Judge, I think the next one may be mine, Mr. Hargrove. All right, Mr. Hargrove. Judge, we've got a negotiated plea in this case. Do you mind if I date it for you? Nope.
It's 23 CF 2655, State of Florida versus Christopher Hargrove, and also 23 CF 2656. Was he just pleading to count one in both cases? Is that what you're saying?
No, Judge, he's pleading to a lesser offense in 2656. He's pleading to the lesser offense of resisting without violence on count 1, and then as charged in count 2, which is the DWLS first offense. Then in 55, where it's charged as high speed. No, I've got them backwards. 55 is just high speed, or is just fleeing and attempting to elude. That one he's pleading to resisting without, and DWLS on 56. That one is high speed, fleeing and attempting to elude, and he's pleading to fleeing and attempting to elude. The difference is whether it's a second degree or third degree, and it's a level 3 offense. So you've got 1 felony and 3 misdemeanors. There's also a DWLS on that one.
Well, I've got what you have here, the way I read it says 2655, count 1, lesser included offense, resisting arrest without violence, a first degree misdemeanor, right?
That's correct, Judge.
And what about the DWLS?
The DWLS, he's playing to that as well. I can.
It's not on there that I see.
I understand what you're saying. Count 2 on both cases, he's pleading as charged.
Okay, now yeah, you left off a couple of offenses, so that's what had me confused.
They're both M2s because he hadn't been convicted on the first one when he picked up the second one.
All right, well, on count 1 on 56 is going to be a third degree felony, correct?
That's correct, Judge.
Instead of a second degree.
That's correct.
All right, Mr. Hargrove, you want to enter a plea, a no contest plea in 2655, count 1, a lesser included offense, resisting without violence, a first-degree misdemeanor, and driving with license suspended, a second-degree misdemeanor, and in 23 CF 2656, count 1, a lesser included offense of fleeing and attempting to elude, a third-degree felony, and count 2, driving license suspended, a second-degree misdemeanor. So 2 third-degree felonies and 2 second-degree misdemeanors. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Did you read and sign this plea and sentencing agreement form?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware of the rights you're waiving by entering this plea?
Yes, sir.
Has anyone forced you or threatened you to enter this plea?
No, sir.
Are you under the influence of any medication or drugs that prevent you from knowing what you're doing here today?
No, sir.
I'm going to withhold adjudication on all counts, both cases, sentence you to 2 years standard probation. Was that concurrent
Yes, sir.
on the felonies? And 60 days concurrent probation on the misdemeanors?
That's fine, Judge.
That's fine, Judge.
Victim impact panel, driver improvement course, standard court cost, $100 cost of prosecution, $150 PD fee. So you probably should be getting out today unless you have some other kind of hold on you. Okay?
Good. All right. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. All right, good luck to you. They're going to want to talk to you.
Yes, sir. Supervision fees waived. Next case.
Judge, if we've got anything else, I'm not aware of it.
We should be done.
All right, thank y'all.
Thank you.
Judge.